Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's Courtney back with another Prizerebel update. I hope y'all are cashing out every day. This tutorial is going to teach you some updates about Prizerebel and why you should earn every day and a cash out. So, I have been using Prizerebel for a while now. You'll see I have 25 surveys available. Tap research. I have my Google Chrome extension for Prizerebel right here. You should always have that downloaded. I haven't had a referral do anything on this website since the 21st of November. So it's helpful when you have referrals, but they don't always do things. So you can share your link, but what's important is to always keep on track with what you need. Now here's an update. Tap Research used to give you a 2 cents minimum if you didn't complete the survey but you got disqualified. They do not do that anymore. Prizerebel does not give you a discount on your prizes anymore. Let's see what I went and did today. Today is the 9th. We'll go to page 2. Okay, maybe page 3. See what I did today. Okay. 4? Okay. So I did a survey this morning, which was equal to 239 points. I did my daily challenge, which I'll show you. I did some offers, and then I watched videos all the way up until this tonight. I watched videos all day. So I did one survey, the $2 one. I did another survey, and another survey. That's 4 surveys. And everything else, I have watched videos. So to do that, guys, for some reason, Ascend Media or Engage.me videos does not play automatically in the background for me anymore. They don't automatically play. You have to have them. You have to look at them to have them play. So I just have one window when I'm busy playing so that I can still earn points. Let's go to surveys. What I did to complete these surveys, the first survey, this one's worth 104. Takes you approximately 24 minutes. 65 cents, 65 cents, 57 cents, 92 cents, 57, 57, 77, 57, 57, 61. Now, if you click your daily survey, it's 80 cents a pop. You need 6 of those, and you need to watch videos for 20 cents. Okay, I don't even put tap in my routine anymore because you don't get the 2 cents. And normally, I don't get qualified for those surveys. So I just come here and do the highest ones, like the $1.04 I would try to do. Try to do the highest paying ones first. If not, then I do the daily survey. And I do some offer walls. My favorite offer walls is Radium 1, Radium Universe, or Revenue Universe, Offer Toro, Ascend, and AdGate. Okay, so I just go through here. I love doing the coupon ones because all you have to do is say you printed them and you click cancel, and it credits your points in about 30 minutes. So I do that. I use Engage.me videos when I am doing something. But really, I just do surveys, get them done, get them out of the way, do a couple offers. Majority of the time, I let my videos play. So we're going to go to my rewards history, guys, because this is possible. This isn't made up. This is live. I'm not pre-recording this. I did a custom PayPal amount last night for $6. Usually I do $5 payments. but I wanted to see how long the custom PayPal amount took. $5 Amazon card and PayPal, and the list goes on. I have 5 pages full of history. $5, $5, $10, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, and it just keeps going. So this site is legit. You just have to work this site. You have to do the work. I will leave my referral link down in the description so you can get a bonus. There's PayPal, there's Amazon, there's Visa prepaid cards, there's Adidas, Apple Music, Soma, there's Apple, Whoppers if you like Burger King, Starbucks, GameStop. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Prizerebel. I'm going to do my $5 cash out. I'm going to claim this item. I'm going to click OK. That'll leave me 4 cents left. I don't share. And I hope this video was helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.